Hello viewers, today I am going to make the best homemade Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Making a good Hyderabadi biryani is very simple and this recipe is perfect for a homemade preparation. This is the easiest biryani since it needs no sauteing of spices and other ingredients. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 kg chicken, goes in 1 to 2 teaspoons rock salt, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons biryani masala or 2 teaspoons garam masala. To this I am adding handful of chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of fried onions, add 4 to 5 tablespoons ghee, now mix all of them and taste the marinade. Add more salt if needed. Cover the bowl, allow it to sit overnight in the fridge or for at least 3 hours. Now transfer the marinated chicken pieces in a large skillet. Now I am going to pour 200 ml oil on it and 2 cups of curd. Mix everything together. And now I am going to make the rice. Add 2 tablespoons oil in a hot pot. Goes in 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves and 1 black cardamom. Now add 3 liters of water in it. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Bring it to a rapid boil. And now I am going to add 5 cups of soaked and drained basmati rice. Cook on a medium-high flame till rice is 75% cooked. The rice must be grainy. Now drain the rice to a colander. And now I am going to layer half of the cooked rice over the chicken. Some fried onions. Sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves. Again layer it with rice, coriander leaves on top and some mint leaves. With fried onions. Finally, I am pouring the saffron milk on it. To finish off, pour 2 tablespoons ghee on top. Please don't use oil here, you won't get the real flavor. Now I am going to seal the pot with dough or anything which is convenient for you, but it should be well covered. Place the biryani pot on the tawa. Cook on a medium-high flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Then lower the flame very low and cook for half an hour. Now switch off the stove and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. And now I am going to remove the dough. Open the lid and gently turn upside down. Now Hyderabadi biryani is ready. You can serve this with raita or brinjal chutney. I hope you will like this recipe as much as we do. If you like this recipe, give a big thumbs up below. Tag us on our Instagram page chimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, click that little bell icon See you in our next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.